Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the BET Plus app on your smart Blu-ray player, follow these simple steps to enjoy exclusive African American content and original series. Step 1. Ensure your smart Blu-ray player is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. A stable internet connection is required to download apps and stream content. Step 2. Turn on your smart Blu-ray player and navigate to its main menu or home screen using your remote control. Look for the App Store or Application Marketplace icon. Step 3. Open the App Store on your Blu-ray player and search for BET Plus using the search function. When you find the BT Plus app in the results, select it. Step 4. Download and install the BET Plus app on your device. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once installed, open the BET Plus app from your Blu-ray player's app list or home screen. The app will launch and display a welcome screen with activation instructions. Step 6. Look for the activation code displayed on your TV screen. This code is typically 6 to 8 characters long and is needed to link your device to your BET Plus account. Step 7. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, visit the BET Plus activation website at bet.plus.activate or the URL shown on your screen. Log into your BET Plus account or create a new account if needed. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your TV into the website and click Activate or Submit. Return to your Blu-ray player, where the BET Plus app should refresh automatically and display your content library. You can now start streaming BET Plus shows and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.